Hello, I'm Avinash, and in this video we'll go through the steps to install RulePoint. We'll start with the pre-installation steps, go through the system requirements, make sure we have the license key file, and check the connection to the database. We then extract the installer and go through the steps and perform the installation. Once the installation is done, we create a new environment variable and copy the license file as part of post-installation steps. In the demo, the installation will be performed in the console mode. An Oracle database will be used for the repository, and the server is a Linux machine. This is the Linux VM where the server will be installed. I have copied the Linux server installer and the license file to the RP installation directory. The RulePoint server will be installed in the /RulePoint location, and this location is currently empty. This is the RulePoint installation and upgrade guide. Before we start, we make sure the server machine meets these minimum system requirements. For example, 4 CPUs and 16 GB RAM. Back on the server machine, we connect to the Oracle database repository and make sure that the connection goes through fine. We now extract the installer by executing the command unzip and the installer zip file name. After extraction, a new folder is created. It contains the installer binary file along with other required files. Before proceeding with the installation, we modify the file permissions so we can execute the binary. Run the installer execute command /informatica rulepoint 612 bin. On this particular VM, the console mode of installation is automatically selected. Press enter. Specify the location where the RulePoint server is to be installed, /RulePoint. Confirm the location. We choose the typical database configuration mode. In this mode, default schema names are used, and the database user configured should have admin or DBA privileges. The design time and runtime components can be configured to 2 different databases. This is the design database configuration prompt. Choose database type and enter database details specific to the type. For Oracle, enter username, password, host, port, and service name. This is the runtime database configuration prompt. We choose the same database as specified for design for runtime. Proceed to topology configuration. Specify topology name, server IP address, and Tomcat port. The defaults are chosen. Choose whether communication to design is through HTTPS or HTTP. We select HTTP for the demo. Email notifications can be configured post the installation. Verify the pre-installation summary. Make sure details like installation directory, database connection URL, and topology configuration is as desired. Press enter. This step can take a couple of minutes. The installation is successful and post-installation steps are listed. Press enter. We can now verify that the /RulePoint location contains the RulePoint server files. cd/RulePoint and list the files. As part of the post-installation steps, create an environment variable RulePoint_home with the value /RulePoint. Also, copy the license file to the /RulePoint/conf location. The RulePoint server installation is complete and can now be started. The steps to start and stop the RulePoint server are described in another video. To summarize, RulePoint installation was performed in this video. We started with pre-installation steps, extracted and ran the server installer, and performed the post-installation steps. Please share your feedback on this video. You can write to supportvideos@informatica.com or the InfaSupport Twitter handle. Thank you for watching.